As a science student, there are equations that you shouldn't struggle to remember. In fact, there are 5 equations that you should not struggle to remember because of how famous these equations are. Number 1 is what is called Einstein's relativity equation. E equals mc squared. In fact, this is one of the most famous equations that you shouldn't struggle to remember, where E is the energy, m is the mass, and c is a constant known as speed of light. Number 2 is another energy equation that relates energy with frequency and Planck's constant, which is E equals hf, where h is a constant known as Planck's constant and f is frequency. Number 3 is called force equation, which relates force, mass, and linear acceleration. The equation is F equals ma, where F is the force, m is the mass, and a is linear acceleration. You can bring down this equation in respect to weight by replacing force with W, which stands for weight, and a with g, which stands for acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, you can restate the equation as W equals mg, the ideal gas equation. PV equals nRT, where P is the pressure of a gas, V is the volume occupied by the gas, N is the number of moles, R is a constant called the molar gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. This equation is obeyed by the ideal gas and the real gases that are close to ideality. Number 5 is called the free energy equation, which is change in G equals change in H minus T change in S, where change in G represents change in free energy, change in H represents change in enthalpy, T represents temperature, and change in S represents change in entropy. These 5 equations are too famous for you to forget as a science student. If you found this video useful, click on like, comment, share the video, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel.